beautiful mountains of Oregon. This is on the way to Cougar Hot Springs. I'm gonna show you beautiful places. Это очень красивые места в Орегоне по дороге на Cougar Hot Springs. Вот здесь такое view. Look at this beautiful view. All these mountains and rivers. Looks amazing. Beautiful Oregon. This is the other side. This is a Cougar Lake. If you go straight along the river, you get to the hot springs lake in 10 minutes. Beautiful nature and beautiful people in here too. You enjoy it?
Yes, so beautiful here. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.
Thank you. Have a beautiful day.
Be blessed.
Пока.